Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel, welcome to Lab Edition. Today I'm going to show you how to check the battery temperature on a Huawei Nova S10e. This is Huawei Nova S10e with 8GB of RAM and it's quite good and fast phone. But the customer complained that this phone is overheating and let's check the temperature. Let me show you how to check the battery temperature of the phone because this phone was overheating from here and customer complained that the phone is slightly overheating from this area. It means that this is your area where the battery sits in, and this is your logic board. The motherboard sits in here. These are your camera side, and this is your charging port and your speaker and ringer, and your SIM tray is also here. Here this side is the charging port, and this is your ringer area. So let me show you how to check the battery temperature in a Huawei Nova S10e. To get into the project menu, you have to dial this code with which is this *#* 2846579 ###. Here this is your project menu. In the Huawei menu, as you can see, all this information you can check from, including network information, software upgrade, restore, some factory settings, and the battery charge. You're going to select the battery charger. So you can see complete charge complete, and it's not connected to the power right now. Battery level is 85%. Battery temperature is 26 degrees, which is normal. Okay, so 26.9 and the 26. So that's good. The battery temperature is around 25 degrees and it is not overheating. And so this is how you check your battery temperature in a project menu.